Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a Fashion Nova review unboxing. I'm bagging. They sent me a bag. Before I open this, I wanted to say, let me give a quick update on my hair situation. It's awesome. I love it. Everybody loves it. You can see the definition. It's blonde, it's still brown, and it's still blonde, and I love it. Absolutely love it. So yay for that. On to the Fashion Nova. So here's a little story. I bought this for the Christmas sale, whatever, 30% off. And then right after I did the 30% off, then they had the 40%. So I was like, oh man. But the thing is that all the things, like I added something in my cart, right, on my size, and I took too long to buy it and it was sold out, so I couldn't even get it anymore. So hurry up. When you know things are selling out and it's in your size, don't take your time. Like, I don't mean to like rush you or when you're purchasing Fashion Nova. Just know that it has happened to me before. I put a product on their site, a jeans or whatever, in my cart, and then when I went to go check out, not available anymore. It literally was sold out. That's how good it was. And the specific shirt that I wanted was this one. It was the You Ain't Loyal shirt. I do not know why I wanted it. It's just between the color and the way it looked on the person with the shorts, and I don't know, I wanted it but I couldn't get it. And anyways, let me show you what I got. I got a few things. Not too much. You know, I always want to get just enough so I could get free shipping. Alright. I got some coupons. If you want a coupon, 30% off coupon of Fashion Nova, link is in the description box below. So I'll put the coupons down below for you because, hey, a deal is a deal. Wow, they made the return process much easier this time. They used to give you this card, or you had to print out something and fill out all the information manually. Now they're telling you to go online on the returns, enter your thing, pay for your label, attach it, and drop off, which is good too. It saves time for, you know, the post office and everything. But I still wish that they wouldn't charge for returns, because they already, after you return, you don't get your money back, you get store credit. So on that terms, I mean, I wish they could just do free returns. But anyways, that's my only, like, one of my problems that I do not like. After you figure out what your size is and you basically got the sizing down packed with Fashion Nova, you can basically, you know, not worry about returns barely. So I have got 2 shirts. I have 2 long sleeves, 1 tank top thing, leggings, and 2 jeans. That's what I got. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 things for $80. I don't know if it was 80 exactly, but let's just say $80. All right, so I got the almost everyday leggings in black, large. You see, I had gained weight. If you've been following me, you probably noticed that I was heavier a long time, like not a long time. I was heavier a while ago, mad months ago, okay? So I've been losing weight and I'm still losing weight. I've been drinking smoothies, I've been exercising more, yada yada yada. I don't want to lose too much weight. I just want to lose a specific amount because I went over my weight gain budget because I was like too skinny. Let's just say I was around 135, okay? And I was 5'7". To me, I didn't like it because I wanted more, a little bit more substance. So I wanted to gain weight. And then I went overboard. So I got to reverse, bring it back, and just a little bit. I just gotta do a little bit more and then tone up. I'm good. So let's just do this. Let me put this to I want to get the leggings first because that's what it says on my thing first. So This came out to $5.59 for the leggings with the coupon and everything. So almost everyday leggings, that's what it's called. All the descriptions for these items and the links and prices will be down in the description box below. So these are it. People said this wasn't see-through, so let's do the test. Yeah, it is not see-through. It's not see-through, so you can't see through it, which is good. And it's thin. It's pretty thin. It's like a kind of like a nice, still that very thin suede material, but like very thin and stretchy. It's not bad. I'm going to try this on. Hey, bump, bump, bump. So these fit good. They are thin, but not see-through. I'm not wearing correct undergarments for this, second of all. Third of all, it's very comfortable and it's true to size. It's very smooth, very nice. I like it. I like these leggings. They are like everyday leggings. So I would say, yeah, these are true to size. I am 205 and 205 pounds, 5'7", and on form-fitting shirts, I'm a large currently, and if I want it looser, like for my pajama shirts, for example, this Champion shirt, I like the way how it fits me loose. This is an extra large, but if I wanted to be like super bag, I would do extra large. So those are my sizing, and that's how my sizing situation goes. I'm a C 36, I think. No, I don't even know. Anyways, so leggings, good. Next is the You Love Spending Time in black. So I got the You Love Spending Time long sleeve shirt in black and white because I like the way both of them look. And I wanted a long sleeve shirt that had a button down. I got them in a large. So heart and hips. Heart and hips. How much was this? This was $12.60 each. I don't know why this says heart and hips and it doesn't say Fashion Nova. Okay. Anyway, so this is a large. I'm gonna see, it looks like it might be a little see-through, so I would wear this with a tank top. So this is the black one. I like the fact that these buttons can open and you can put it to any level you want. And it's nice. It's a nice thin material. It's stretchy. It's stretchy. I think this is good. I think this is my size. So these two are in a large. Now before I try this on, I think I want to try the jeans on first because I want to. So these are the Back At You in medium blue wash. And I love this color. This color is really nice because it's not too dark and it has some type of definition to it. It's not just plain, so it's like, you know what I'm saying? And then it has these ankles, these cuffs. I usually cuff mine a little bit thicker, but these are cute, and you're able to unroll these to a regular leg, but I like the cuff status. So this is how it's looking. It's really nice. So I'm gonna try these on right now because I'm very excited. I don't have anywhere where I can fashion catwalk, all that stuff. So I'm digging this. See the ankles. The ankles, the ankles. Let me see if I could do the front without, I mean, you know what I'm saying? This is dangerous. So here's how it's looking. Oh my gosh, see my underwear. Okay, let's just tuck that in. So it's okay. I mean, it fits good. It fits pretty good. It's nice. It feels really nice. I just make it. So I'm gonna try the other ones on. Wait, before I try it on, wanted to show you. This one actually says Fashion Nova on it. Okay, so these are actually high-waisted. Okay, I like this color because I love light colors. These are not cuffed, but you can cuff them yourself. These are called the Marilyn high-waisted skinny jeans light wash, and these are looking bomb, so I'm gonna try them on. The waist is scaring me because it's a little bit narrow, you know what I'm saying? I haven't ow, I haven't did my you know, I'm not in my like best of shapes as of now. I'm doing good. Okay, I'm doing good. Okay. I like these jeans. They're more on the like not as smooth side as Fashion Nova has their jeans, but I cannot button them. It's depressing, right? It's depressing when you can't button your jeans. Nope. I don't know what to do. I don't know whether to, you see, I don't want to return it because you have to pay for a return, and it's just like, what, how much was these? $17.49, and the shipping, what, is gonna be like $6. Then I gotta rebuy it again. It's like, I'm only gonna get $11 back for this. I don't know. I'll think about it. I mean, if I lose some stomach, I can zip it up and button it. I can't do that right now. The other jeans I was able to close. It's so weird. It's like, it's the same size. It's just probably a different cut because I have other high-waisted that I'm able to zip up and everything, and they're 11, but I guess these are not as stretchy. Yeah, these are not as stretchy as the other ones, so damn, I'm gonna have to lose weight. I'm sorry. Okay, so this is the other one I got. This is the bodysuit. It's a full bodysuit and it is clipped on the bottom, so I'm actually going to put this on, but I'm not going to clip the bottom. I'm just gonna put it on to check it out right now. Okay, so this is called the Don't Be So Square bodysuit in black. So it is the spaghetti strap in square, and it fits nice. I'm actually a good extra large, and if I lost a little bit of weight, it will go good too. So I'm liking this. I like the way this feels, and I like this one. This one's a good. So I'm gonna try now the other two shirts. All right, so this is the You Love Spending Time top, and I really like it. I really like it. It's see-through, but it's so comfortable and it's light. I mean, the buttons are like, you know, stretching a little bit, but it goes down. Like, you have enough to like pull this down over the front of your jeans. And so this is how it's looking. And the good thing about this is that you can unbutton I'm not gonna unbutton it all the way, but you can unbutton it lower and lower to your liking or whatever. So obviously I wouldn't unbutton it that low. I'm just gonna keep it like that because that's good and conservative. I'm loving the white. Like I said, again, I would wear a something underneath it maybe, because I usually do that anyways. So I'm gonna go ahead and try the black one now. But I'm loving this shirt. It's really like, it's stretchy and it's nice. And I got this in a large. So this is the Love Spending Time shirt in a black, and it's looking nice too. It's looking nice, and the buttons obviously open up to whatever length you want to open it up. And it's the same thing. I like the color. Get it a little, if I want to do black, if I want to do white, I could do that. Okay, all in all, I'm going to have to say that I love my Fashion Nova outfits that I got. It's just that the problem is with the Marilyn high-waisted jeans in light. I got them in an 11. I probably should have got a 13 because they don't stretch. They don't stretch as much as the other ones I've gotten. For Marilyn high-waisted skinny jeans, you need to go up one size because they're not as stretchy, unless, like for me, like they would fit me more. Like it fits me up to the point where in my stomach area, like I can't button it, unfortunately, but I can button the other ones that are 11. So it's just the stretch. The stretch really makes a difference, so keep mind on that. And I don't know if I remember, I told you, but the Don't Be So Square bodysuit black was an extra large. So all the stuff that I bought and the sizes and the prices and the links will be down in the description box below. And all my weight measurements and all that good stuff that you guys been asking me, and I think it's helpful to know that so you can compare and contrast, because that's what I use. I looked at YouTube videos and seen how other ladies that's my size, and even not my size, and I would just see what, like, because everyone's is so weird, because like one person would get this size and it would be like so close to another person's size and they look so much different in shape. It could get confusing, but if you just do a little research or just do your own trial and error, which I did. I only had to do it twice, trial and error, so I only did returns twice on Fashion Nova, and it was when they used to do the manual returns, but they made it much easier now. Fashion Nova made the returns much easier, so I mean, like I said, the only thing I don't like about that is that you have to pay for the return shipping. If it wasn't for that, I would be shopping more at Fashion Nova, no lie. I'd be shopping more at Fashion Nova because they do have pretty nice clothes and pretty good quality. So everything was good. I just made a mistake on the Marilyn high-waisted, but I'm going to keep it. I'm not going to return it because I'm not going to do it just for one thing. I really am not, and it's not even that expensive to me for my budget. So I'm gonna be keeping it, and that's gonna be my motivation. I'm gonna do my sit-ups and exercise and work out, and hopefully, I mean, I could share that. I could share what I eat in a day, my new protein drinks, my shakes I make. I at least do it once a day, and then my vitamins, minerals, and I snack. I just gotta exercise more. Anyways, let me stop blabbing. That's the end of my video. If this video helped you and you thought this was very informative, please like this video and please join the fam. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll be making more videos, and I would so appreciate it because I just love making these videos for you guys, and I hope you guys like it too. I'm a little bit backed up on my videos, so currently I have so many videos that I didn't post. That's from like a month or two ago, so I'm gonna go ahead and boom. I'm gonna go edit those things, post it up so I can hurry up and just stay updated and try to do at least a video a week. I'm trying, my goal, I'm trying. So that's about it. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate every one of you. I'll see you in my next video. Bye. That's good.